Da da da! It's prom season! Huh. I honestly have no idea why I did that, but anyways, what is up you guys? It's Amber, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, greetings, welcome to the party. So, today we're gonna do a little prom themed DIY. A bunch of you guys have been asking me to do something for the prom season, so I thought it would be fun to kind of take your suggestions and go to a thrift shop and give a dress kind of like a DIY prom makeover. Because it's fun to be creative and you don't need to break the bank to look fab. So without further ado, here we go. DIY thrift store prom dress makeover. Alrighty, as always, before we get going, here is our outfit of the day. It is really weird today. I don't even know what I'm wearing, but I'll show it to you anyways because, you know, I always do. So we've just got an oversized white t-shirt dress because I wanted to keep it very, very casual. You know, trying on a bunch of stuff, gotta be cozy. A long pony, a headband, because I've been really into headbands lately, I don't know why. Some nice jewelry, purse I just bought, yay! And that's basically it because I'm not wearing pants. I mean, I got like shorts underneath, but that's basically it. So voila, that's our weird outfit of the day. Onward ho. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see what we can find. Alrighty, we gotta find the dress section, which I believe is over there. So we'll go over there. Okay, so I don't really know exactly what we're looking for. I'm just gonna see whatever catches my eye that I think I could make fabulous. So, any of these? Maybe. Maybe. Actually, this could work. Close call between this one and this one, but I think we're gonna go with this one, mostly because it's half off, and I think I can make this one cuter. Alrighty, we got the goods! Now, off to visit Benjamin. Ta-da, ta-da, Benjamin! You look groovy today. Okay, so I don't really know what I need today, but we're making over like a prom dress. Any ideas? It looks like you have maybe 60,000 things I could use, so.
I do definitely, yeah.
Alrighty, let's find some. Woohoo! Alrighty, so how can we decorate you? This could be fun. Oh, beautiful. So many options of things. I don't even know what to get. Where do I start? I don't know what this is, but I need to use this. Alrighty, don't really know what I'm gonna do with these, but this is going to be the winners. Thank you. See you soon. Bye. Alrighty, we got both of the goods. Onward ho. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Woo! Alright, Santa's here. You ready to see what we got? Here we go. Alrighty, so here's what's inside the bag. This is the dress that we bought from the thrift store. Not so beautiful right now, but it will be beautiful soon. Then from Benjamin, of course, we got these two things that I need to open because you can barely tell what they are, but I picked up this beautiful sheet of crystal mesh. Oh, beautiful. Then, this thing looks evil, but I also got this big, long, basically a big feather fabric sheet. So you'll see what I'm gonna do with that in a minute. But yeah, basically that's that. Oh, you're also gonna need some scissors, some needle and thread, which is not pictured, but here's a little clip art that I found online. Perfect. And of course, it wouldn't be my project without E6000 glue. So there we go. We got all the goods. Bippity boppity boo. Let's get to crafting. By the way, disclaimer, I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never done this before, so we're just gonna see what we come up with on the spot. Great. I'm always so prepared for my videos. So professional. Alrighty, so here you can see I put on the dress, which is actually kind of cute, but you know, we're gonna go ahead and make it fabulous. By the way, sorry I'm not showing my face. It's like 6 a.m. and I'm not ready at all. So, anyways, you can see there's the dress. So now, first things first, you can see the skirt is flared. So we're gonna go ahead and make it tight. So how exactly are we gonna do that? Well, to be honest, I don't really know, but all I did was flip it over and kind of fold it like origami and then stitch the pieces together over, under, and since we're not gonna be able to see this, you can kind of totally make a mess. My favorite. I said I was gonna make this dress look good, not that I was gonna do it properly. So there you go, you can see it is tight now on the bottom. Granted, it doesn't look so great from the back, but it doesn't matter because you're not gonna be able to see it. So anyways, next step. All right, so what we're gonna do now is deal with the glittery crystal bodice thing. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. Oh, the aesthetic. So So you can see I'm just gonna take the applique and lay it right on top of the dress, which doesn't really look like anything, but you can see once it's on, you can kind of tell it's going to look amazing. So we're just gonna cut off this extra piece so it leaves the V-line. So you can see, you know, just pull out the scissors, it cuts through super easy, pull that away, and then you're left with the perfect dress line. Then again, back to the sewing, over, under, stitching it through the beads until it is all secured in place. Oh my goodness, fabulous. All right, so next thing, we're gonna go ahead and make a little neck piece. So you can see this is the piece that we trimmed off of the fabric earlier. Basically, all we're going to do is trim off the extra here. There's actually way more professional ways to do this, but since I forgot to buy ingredients for this, we're just gonna go ahead and use these hooks that I had lying around my counter. So you can just slip those right through the mesh, easy peasy. And then you can hook them together so they create like a little necklace effect. Put it on, perfecto. You're ready for the prom. Hello! This is dance party worthy. Okay, no. Anyways, next order of business is attaching the skirt. So we're gonna take the evil fabric and we're just gonna stick it onto our waist, kind of like so. Like so. Get the pun? Anyways. Dun 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 dun. I feel like a matador with this. Okay. Anyways, wow, I'm distracted today. So go ahead, take the fabric. Any fabric will do, by the way. I just thought the feathers added so much extra fun to this. So we'll go ahead, wrap it around the waist, and boom. That's basically all. Obviously you have to attach it though, so take a pin it into place, take it off, and then right where you pinned it, go ahead and sew the fabric right onto the dress. And then, alrighty. Are you guys ready to see it on? I know you said yes, so we'll put it on. Oh my God, I honestly don't even know if you guys are ready for this, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Oh my God. This literally looks so good! The crystal bodice, the crystal necklace. Wow, this is literally such a look. The black strappy shoes, the feather skirt. Oh, wow. You can see how sparkly it came out. Oh my God, and the necklace. Oh, it's fabulous. I'm living for the drama of this skirt. Batwoman coming in the night. Did I just murder my husband? No, of course not. Versace who? This is Amber Scholl Thrifted Couture. I'd say we did a damn good job. Okay, I'll admit, maybe a little inappropriate for prom, but for my everyday life, it's perfect. Trader Joe's, here I come. So there you have it, you guys. That was how I did my thrifted prom DIY dress makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I love doing crafts like this. It was so fun for me to be creative. I haven't done this in a little while, so 'twas a very good time. Thanks for watching. I hope it inspired you guys to have some fun out there, and remember, it doesn't matter how you start, it's how it ends that all matters. So enjoy the glam, go look fabulous. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more fun nonsense. As always, wishing you the most magical day, and well, I guess it's nighttime, so magical night. Go slay your prom season like the queen that you are, and I will see you guys soon. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, glamorous, fabulous, wonderful, amazing baby angels. XO. Are you ready to go, babe? Oh yes, prom 2018. Dashing. Smile big, this is gonna be our Christmas card.